In today's video, I'll show you how to fix story comments not showing on Instagram. First, remember that story comments appear in your messages. Tap your DM icon, then check your message requests or story replies folder. Sometimes replies get filtered there. Next, go to your profile, then go three lines, then go settings, then go messages and story replies, then go story replies. Make sure it's not set to don't allow replies. Choose everyone or people you follow so you can receive story comments again. If that doesn't fix it, update your Instagram app through the App Store or Google Play Store. If it still doesn't work, delete and reinstall the app. This won't delete your account, just refreshes your app data. Also, check if the person who replied is blocked, unblock them if necessary. Finally, if it's still not fixed, go to settings, then go help, then go report a problem, and write that you can't see story comments. Instagram support should resolve it in a few days. And that's it.